Hello besties, at the end of this video you should be able to draft a pattern that will enable you to easily ventilate your 2x6 lace closure. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to easily draft a 2x6 lace closure pattern on a paper, and also how to go about ventilating your 2x6 lace closure. It sounds like something you'll be interested in. Stick with me to the end of this video where I'm going to show you guys everything step by step. So I have my materials ready: my paper, my measuring rule, my tape, my scissors, my C tape, and my pencil. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is to measure out our center pattern, mark out our center pattern. So I'm going to be using the inches part. Okay, make sure you're using the inches part, not the cm. When you get your measuring tape, the place that is written in, that's inches, so that's the area you should use. So I'm going to mark out, so I will mark out 6 inches. Okay, so I'll give a mark at 0 and then give a mark at 6. That's my 6 inches. Then the next thing is for me to connect the 2 points together. So I'll just draw a straight line. Please make sure it's straight. You know, this will also serve as your center pattern, so just make sure that is straight. So after you are done connecting, now our 6 inches is ready. The next thing we are going to do is to get our 2 inches ready. Remember, we are customizing a 2x6 pattern on a paper that will enable us to easily ventilate our 2x6 lace closure. So I'll mark out from 0 to 1 and then 1 to 2. That is simply put, I mark out 2 inches. Okay, 0.0 and then 0.2. I'll repeat the same thing up. Mark out my 0 and then my 2. Okay, so the next thing is to connect the 2 sides using my rule. I'll just make sure it's straight. Okay, and then you need to make sure it's straight because this is where you are going to place your closure to vent. Then I connect it and also connect the next one. After that, then I will connect the downside. Now repeat the same thing up. If at any point you don't understand what I'm explaining, just focus on this video, you get it. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. Now our 2x6 is ready, but we have more things to do. Now from that point, I'm going to measure at ½ inch. Okay, just ½ inch. And again, I'll do the same thing the other side, and also do the same thing up. Please guys, at this point, consider hitting that like button. If you are yet to join the family, kindly hit the subscribe button for more tutorial videos. Turn on your post notification bell so that once I upload new videos, you will get notified. So I will now connect this side, connect it with our 2x6, which is the main part. Connect everything together. I have to do the same thing up too, and also the other side. How to easily customize. I told you guys I'll be drafting all this pattern for you all, starting with 2x6. Which one do you want me to do next? Let me know in the comment section. So I marked out 1 inch. Okay, from our base, our start point where our 6 inches is, I mark out 1 inch and then connect it. Do the same, mark out 1 inch up, and then I connected it too. So guys, between 13 by 4, 13 by 6, 2 by 4, 4 by 4, 5 by 5, which one do you think I should do next? Let me know in the comment section. Closures normally have this cover part, so this is how to do that. From the other one end to the other one, just connect, marking a curve. You can just freely use your hand to do this, or if you have the curvy rule, you can use your curvy rule to also do it, but you can easily use your free hand to do that. So I will repeat the same thing the other side now to get that curvy area. Now this is our base. Okay, remember the pattern you use to vent your base is not the same pattern you're going to use to vent the main body, and it's not the same thing you're going to use to vent the hairline. So this up now is our hairline, while the down, the curvy area, is our base. Now this is just a levat. This levat is just where you are going to be placing your pin, and also when you are venting, and also when you are making use of the closure, maybe you are rigging, if it's yours, that is where you are going to attach your pin. Now let me cut this out and then go ahead and show you guys how to easily attach it on your mannequin head, and then you vent. So this is what we were able to achieve. This is our base, this is our body, this is our 2x6, and then this is just where our pin is going to be. That is the essence of that ½ inch you see me add. Okay, we are not going to vent there. That's not the main place we're going to be venting on. Now this is how to attach it. You can use your canvas head. You can as well make use of your mannequin head. Any of these two can serve. So just secure it with a pin. Any pin can serve, any type of pin you have, be it T-pin or any other type of pin. So this is a sample of 2x6 that I'm going to use and show you guys now. So go ahead and secure your lace on the drafted pattern. Okay, secure your lace on the drafted pattern. Guys, if you've watched to this point and you know you've gotten any value from this tutorial video, kindly like up the video. Please comment in the comment section, share with your friends and family. If you have any question, you know you are free to ask in the comment section. So this is it. You see that? So this is our base, this is our body, and then this is our hairline. Okay, so this is just a levat where you see me place my pin. It's not part of where we're going to be venting. It's supposed to get to the other side, but this is a leftover lace that I have. Okay, so this is a levat, the half inches that we added, which we are going to be venting. That's not the main focus. I mean, when we are venting. So this is our base. You know, the pattern you use to vent your base is not the same you're going to use to vent your body, and it's not the same that you're going to use to vent your hairline. If you don't know how to use these 3 different patterns to vent your 2x6 lace closure, let me know in the comment section. I've already dropped a video on that. You can check my videos, or let me know in the comment section. I'll share the link to that video to you. I'll also be making an updated video on how to vent your 2x6 lace closure. So for you not to miss that and other upcoming videos, tutorial videos I'll be dropping, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell to get notified once I upload new videos. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next upload. Bye.